Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Is your extender not working properly since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to reset Wavlink Aerial N300 WN578R2 wireless extender in very easy steps. So watch this video till the end. In the end, I hope this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Wavlink Aerial N300 extender. Resetting the Wavlink Aerial N300 is necessary when you forget the login password, change your router, or face connectivity issues. It restores the extender to factory settings, allowing you to set it up like new. Now plug the Wavlink N300 into a power outlet. Wait for it to fully power up. This may take 30 to 60 seconds. You'll see LED light stabilize, usually the power LED becomes solid. Find the reset hole/button on the device. It is usually labeled reset and recess to prevent accidental pressing. Typically located near the Ethernet port or side/bottom panel. Use a pointed object, like a paperclip, to press into the reset hole. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. While holding, you may see the LEDs flicker or go off. This is normal. After 10 to 15 seconds, release the reset button. The LEDs may turn off briefly, then the device will begin rebooting. Let the device fully reboot, takes another 30 to 60 seconds. It is now reset to factory default settings. Now your reset process is complete. After resetting your Wavlink Aerial N300, plug it in near your router and connect to its default Wi-Fi, e.g., Wavlink N. Then open a browser, go to http://wifi.wavlink.com, log in with admin, and follow the setup wizard to connect it to your main Wi-Fi network. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.